add the background that you want to add. I'm going to choose this one. After that, click on add photos, then choose the Twitter screenshot. Now you have to crop this Twitter screenshot to the desired shape that you want to add. I'm going to take up to this much. Then click on the tick button up there, then increase the size. Now click on shadows, then reduce the opacity and increase the blur. After that, click on blend and choose darken, so your picture looks realistic. So after that, you can save this picture, or you can use FX, or if there is anything that you want to remove, you can also remove. It's up to you. I'm going to save this picture. So thank you so much for watching.